Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class. I am Muhammad Masud Rana with you, lecturer in English, Bahal Mijapur, Haji Jamiluddin School and College. Dear learners, I hope you are well in spite of pandemic situation of coronavirus. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Today, I shall discuss the use of to in the completing sentence. The sentence containing to follows this structure: subject plus verb plus to plus adjective or adverb plus for plus noun or pronoun plus to plus verb 1, base form of the verb plus other words. That student, notice here, for plus noun or pronoun and other words have been written in the bracket. That means you may need them or not. It will depend on the context of the sentence. Okay, let's see example. Number A, he is too weak. If you want to complete the sentence, at first you must write to, because according to context, for plus noun or pronoun, here we don't need this phrase, so at first I have written to. Then you have to notice the adjective after to. Weak. Weak means powerless. If someone is powerless or weak, what he cannot do, you have to write that kind of verb. As he is weak, he cannot work. Next, B, he is too dishonest. Here, dishonest means bad. If someone bad, what he will not do? He will not do any good work or speak the truth. So at first I have to write to, then speak. Dear student, notice here to speak cannot complete the context, sense. So I have to write to speak the truth. Okay, next one. The girl is too dull. Dull means fool. If someone is fool, he or she cannot understand any simple matter. So you can write to, then understand. As she is dull, she cannot understand. Understand any simple matter. Let's go to the next example, number D. The box was too heavy. Heavy means weighty. That means having more weight. Now, if something is more weight, it cannot be carried. It cannot be carried. And here the subject box, it itself cannot carry. So to carry you need someone. So for this reason you have to use now for plus noun. So at first I write for and you can write any noun or pronoun as there is no context at the beginning of the sentence, so you can any noun or pronoun. But if any noun or pronoun refer before the sentence, you have to write that noun or pronoun. Here there is no reference, so I can write any noun or pronoun. For me, for me, too. Now as it is heavy, the box is heavy, so it cannot be carried, so I cannot carry. Next, number E, the sum is too difficult. That means difficult means hard, tough. If the sum is difficult, it cannot be solved, but the sum itself will not solve, so you need someone to solve. Here you can write, you have to write also for phrase, that means for any noun or pronoun as there is no context, them, then to, as difficult it cannot be solved, so solve.